Hi dear friends, so I'm back to show you the content for the book 365 Days Challenge with Tarot and Oracle for Mystic Souls, and the cover might be a little bit different from the Amazon page, but that's okay. And my book, you see, I worked a lot with it. So let me try and see if you can have something. So this is the first page of the content. You might want to pause, and then the second part, and I have put something because I wanted to play and to make some challenges there. Good. So now let's see where the Book of Shadows. Okay, what is shadow in 6 days, I think? Yeah, so let me try to grasp one question. Okay, I want to do this question. You can do this technique, you open it whenever you want and you see which question is attracting you. So, okay, let's see. The devil hurts others because he is himself hurt and suffering from the disconnection, from the separation from soul. Compassion is then a key to put an end to that separation feeling, and wisdom is another key to understand what it is, that it is all an illusion. Knowing yourself better, how can you bring more compassion and wisdom in your relation to your devilish parts? Okay, let's start with that question, and then this next one. What would be the real impact of adding compassion and wisdom to your life? Try to find a practical and real image through your cards that can show you this scenario. Okay, let's do this. I've got some cards in here. The question, how can you bring more compassion and wisdom? I want to draw 2 cards. Okay. I love the image of all these schools, and it's 10 of Swords. There's something about, we are talking about bringing more compassion and wisdom, and I feel it's about, instead of bringing, I need to dissolve everything. I need to dissolve any comprehension, any understanding of the devil, of my devilish part, and break down any understanding of what it means to have compassion and to have wisdom. Cut it all, stop it all, and start anew. Relearn what it means, what these words mean. Relearn how they feel. There is something also about, you see this part here from the background. We talked about separation. And listening to this separated part is part of the game. I need to listen to this part. I need to understand what it means to be devilish, the dark side within us. I need to listen to it because it has things to teach me. It's going to change my vision. I love the relation to the eyes. You see, the eyes are very present. And yeah, what do you see? What do you see in these cards? Let me put them here so that we can see better. Love this. Okay, the next question. What would be the real impact of adding compassion and wisdom? I would say what would be the impact of re-understanding these 3 aspects? Wow, I love this. strength. Strength is coming. Strength comes from collaboration, from understanding the different parts that are within us. This is what it means. Compassion is to embrace things. Wisdom is to bring all this together. How can the shadow hold the hands with the light instead of battling for eternity? I love that she has something on her eyes and also on her back. I wonder if it's a bird. And the bird, is it her dress? And the lion, they are all merging together, and the sun behind, and the stars. Feeling like we are all part of this cosmos mix. And we have to acknowledge that even shadow and the devilish parts of us are part of this mix, cosmic mix. What do you see? What do you see in these cards? Alright, so hope you enjoy this small exercise, and let's see if I don't want to wake him up. Let me see if I can do another exercise in the next video.